Okay, so these words here just actually say this picture's how it is. These two move together to start with, they're going to collide, and this one's always moving in 3 meters this way. Immediately after the collision between P and Q, their directions of motion have been reversed, but the speeds are unchanged. So this one is now going 8 in that direction, and this one's going U in to the left now. And we're going to have to use conservation of momentum, which is total initial momentum equals total final momentum. I always like putting that down there because then I know what I'm doing. And momentum is mass times velocity. I know it says initial M, I should probably have MU. Direction matters, so I'm going to take to the right to be positive. So it starts off with, how heavy are these? The first one is, that's 0.4 kilograms, and that's 0.3 kilograms, and this one's m kilograms. So mass times velocity, so 0.4 times by u, and then it's going to be minus, because this one's going the other way, 0.3 times 8, and that equals total final. I'm going to start off with the this one is going to be minus a mass 0.4 times by u. That's going to go to the left, and this one's now going positive, so that'll be plus 0.3 times by 8, and that says that's 0.4u plus those 0.4u will make 0.8 u's, and that will equal 4.8, and therefore u equals 6. That's the first part. And our second part, and with the collision between Q and R, so we'll do it here underneath the diagram. Q, which is 0.3, and R, which is M, that starts off going at 3, and this one we've just worked out or told it goes at 8. It's like that. And immediately after it, Q is at rest, so 0 meters per second, and R has speed of 9. So I'm going to put down the fact that it's going at 9. But I already don't know which direction it goes in to start with. So I'm going to do total init momentum equals total final momentum. And what's initially, it goes 0 is 8 times by 0.3, that's the momentum of this one, minus 3m, and that equals, well, it depends whether 9 goes that way or the other way. If it goes this way, then it'll end up being minus 9m, and I'm going to end up with a negative value for m, so it's going to have to go positive. That's going to have to be going that way. That's going to give me 12m is 2.4, and therefore m equals 0.2 kilograms. So if you'd gone the other way, if that being minus 9m, then we'd have ended up with minus 6m here equals this, and so m would be 2.4 or minus 2.4 over 6, and you're not going to get a negative mass. So it does go this way, and that's question 2 done.